everybody, my name is Sophie and I'm a chef student here at Caramelize, and today I'd like to show you the tuiles I made for my last testers from Four Rising Stars last Wednesday. So we start out with putting 200 grams of egg whites into a blender. I'm using a Thermomix, but you can use whatever blender you have at home. Then we have 200 grams of sugar, adding 200 grams of melted butter. I melt it on low heat so it's not hot anymore. Just let it cool down a bit so it doesn't cook the egg whites. And then lastly we add flour. That's 235 grams of flour. And I just added a pinch of salt into it. And all of these ingredients I blend together to a uniform mixture. So now I've blended it. The consistency is cake dough-like. It has to be like this, without any lumps. And then from here I just take on my opposite spatula onto the molds. And at this point it's really important that you come in all of the small sides. These molds can be a little bit difficult because they have so many ridges. And then from here it's super important that all of the excess that's around the mold is not there, because if you have it there and you bake them, it's gonna stuck to the tuile and it's not gonna be as pretty. So like this, and then they're ready to be baked at 160 degrees for about 4 minutes. So now I just took them out of the oven. I baked them until they are starting to get a little bit golden, but not too much, because if you have them too golden then the color won't show as bright. The colors I keep separated in the bowl, and then I just take the pencil. They will be mixed in the middle, so I can have 3 different colors out of just using 2s. And then you have to move a bit fast here so they don't firm up too fast. If they cool down too much, it's gonna be difficult to take them out of the mold. Take them up, and then I place them in the alupron. That just press them down a bit. So while they cool down, they will get a shape like a leaf. And I let them cool down here. That's it.